If you have a larger chart with a lot of repeated stitches or a lot of variety, you may find it helpful in terms of making your chart easier for the knitter to read, to take advantage of the grid highlighting function in Stitch Mastery. So to do this, we click on Diagram and Edit Diagram Properties. Click on the grid highlighting drop down. So we'll tick to say highlight grid lines on, and you can choose how many columns and rows between highlight lines you wish to highlight. So we'll stick with 10 at the moment. And for the purpose of the video, we'll use a contrasting colour just to make it very clear. We could always change the colour of our main grid lines to help as well with contrast. As you can see, we now have a contrast grid line every 10 stitches and every 10 rows.